A world that is more and more connected by technology and trade must also be connected by ideas, by shared values, and by accountability.
Work in service to social justice is the most important thing I think a lawyer can do. It is not more important than other kinds of practice, but it's essential because we have a key. We have a key to the legal system.
I think that what makes Baker McKenzie special is the lawyers in those offices around the globe who are enthusiastic about working with each other, who have a common goal of helping clients resolve complex legal issues that arise around the globe and that arise under different legal jurisdictions and systems.
Baker has a cadre of lawyers with an amazing experience, be it corporate litigation plus public international law. And so when we go in and we're working with the Iraqi government on amendments to their constitution, when we're working with the Nepal government on drafting their new constitution, you have this wealth, this depth of experience that Baker McKenzie is able to make available to PILPG so that we can be effective and competent lawyers on any question that our clients may ask us.
We might be able to combine the best efforts of a fourth-year attorney out of Chicago with a very experienced principal out of our London office to address a complicated issue like how do we reintegrate child soldiers in Sri Lanka? How do we create a feasible tax system in Darfur? What mechanisms are available to address the issue of thousands of people living without a legal identity in Peru?
The issues that we have to deal with are very complex, and you have to look at them from different perspectives, a global perspective in effect.
And we bring that global perspective to the pro bono work we do.
One of the best experiences I've had with pro bono has been my work on the Darfur project. I initially got involved in an all-day negotiation training session that we held for members of the Darfurian diaspora who were looking to help solve the conflict in Darfur.
I think that law firms are now not just taking the individual cases, which continue to matter greatly, but are also interested in trends that need to be changed.
We are able to do things from 30,000 feet, and we're able to do things right next door. If we have that ability, we feel like we have to have a commitment to do it.
There are a lot of commonalities between assisting a person who is an individual and has a matter that is very personal to him or her, versus working for a global organization that has needs that goes beyond one person.
It's great to work with nonprofits as well as to work with individuals. The great thing about helping a nonprofit is that you actually feel linked to their mission and their goals. The great thing about helping an individual is you actually feel linked to their lives.
Just simply being able to work on a matter and you can see the immediate results is extremely gratifying.
It's really nice to feel like you have the support of this huge organization with these huge resources to try to actually help people.
It's very enjoyable to be in a conversation with Baker McKenzie partners and associates because what they want to talk about is the commitment to making a difference, the commitment to social responsibility, the commitment to making the world a better place.
I feel absolutely that we must realize that everyone is entitled to access to justice. It's not the privilege of the elite or of the few that have the power. It is the right of everyone.